going on, everyone? Welcome to another very exciting episode right here on the My Gardener channel. I'm super excited for today's episode because in today's episode, we got a quick one, but it's an awesome one because I'm going to be showing you how to save sage seed. Now, a lot of you love our seed saving videos, and so this is going to be a continuation of our seed saving playlist. If you want to know more on how to save seeds for things like tomatoes and peppers, cucumbers, we've done a lot of them. I think we're up to like 30 videos in our seed saving series. So I'll make sure to post in the description box down below a link to that playlist so you can check out more. Also, if you want to buy seed, you can always check out mygardener.com, where we have the largest selection of heirloom, organic, and non-GMO vegetable seeds for just $2 a pack. So make sure to go check that out. But with that being said, I'm going to show you how to save this incredibly versatile herb, and one that a lot of people love to grow but don't really know how to save its seed. All right, check it out. This is my sage plant. Now, the plant has honestly become more like a bush than a plant. It's incredible. This is just such a beautiful plant, and I love having it in the garden. Now, this is also a great opportunity for me to show how to save seeds from sage, because sage is a perennial, and it'll flower every single year, but it only flowers on 2-year-old growth. You see all of these new stems here that don't have any flowers on them? This is all new growth from this year. And I'll tell you what, it smells incredible. I'm just absolutely incredible. I wish we have smell-o-vision. Someday I can only hope that we can have smell-o-vision, because this is like, oh man, it smells amazing. Absolutely incredible. But this is new growth. This will not flower. This will flower next year. The second year growth flowered this year. And as you can see, the flowers, there's little purple flowers. And those flowers, when pollinated, will drop off and form these little seed pods. And as you can see, they're green right now. This one is. That's because the seeds inside have not formed yet. The seeds inside will not be viable, so this needs a lot more time to dry up. But as they dry, they turn brown and brittle. And this is kind of a type of crop that I kind of just consider like a set it and forget it type crop to save seeds from. Another crop in this category would be something like basil or thyme or oregano. It's far easier just to let the seed heads just literally dry right on the plant, because you don't have to do anything special. And it's not like a tomato that you have to harvest the tomato, ferment the seeds, dry the seeds, wash them off, things like that. It's literally, you're just letting the plant produce the seed heads, let them dry, bone dry, brittle. Wait till like October, November time, and then come in and then pick the seeds. And I'll show you a quick little tip on how I do this. Because the seed heads are so brittle, if I take it and bump it, well, all the seeds are just gonna fall right out, because there's nothing holding the seeds in, especially when they're this brittle. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in and I'm going to simply take the flower and squeeze. And I can feel a little seed inside. Flowers that are not pollinated will not have a little BB inside. That little BB is the seed, but it feels like almost like an airsoft BB, like a little pellet. And I'll take it over. In my case, I'm gonna use my coat here. I've been saving some seed already, and I just simply, boop, drop it in. And each flower will only produce one seed. And so it's far easier for me to come in here when the seeds are bone dry. Give it a little squeeze, there's nothing. Give it a little squeeze. I feel the BB. I feel the little seed inside. And just like that, got yourself a seed. Come in here, squeeze, nothing. Squeeze, nothing. Okay, I got 2 flowers here. I definitely have a seed in here. I can feel it. Oop, just like that. Oh, I had 2 seeds. Good, awesome. So it is that simple. It is that simple to just let the plants produce the seed for you, let the seed heads dry, and then just come on in here and I'm chasing them away. My goodness. Coat was probably not the best thing to drop the seeds on, but I didn't have a plate with me. But I wanted to show you guys how simple this was, because this is a crop that you guys can grow and save seeds from. And then now you have seeds that you can grow more of, give them away to friends and family, and you have a safe and stable seed supply from a crop that literally will grow pounds and pounds and pounds of herbs for you every single year. It's incredible. And the seeds are super easy to save. Again, let the plant grow, wait for the first year, nothing's gonna happen. The second year, it's gonna flower. It's also gonna produce new growth. That new growth will flower the next year. The stuff that flowers, you're gonna let dry. After it dries, you're gonna come in, you're gonna squeeze it, squeeze each flower, make sure you feel that BB, and then you're simply going to take it and you're gonna drop it. And it is that simple to save seed. Look at that. Sage seed. So there you guys go. There is how you can save sage seed. I hope you guys enjoyed. Hopefully you learned something new. Oh man, I really hope that you'll try growing it. It's such an incredible herb. We use it on so many things and it's so versatile. But wow, it just smells like, oh man, it smells like a great day. I'll tell you what. Oh, that never gets old. All right. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Hopefully you learned something new. If you want to get yourself some sage seeds to start your sage plants and then start saving your own sage seed, go check out mygardener.com. We have over 650 different varieties of heirloom, organic, and non-GMO vegetable seeds for just $2 a pack. So go check it out. But as always, this is Luke from the My Gardener channel reminding you to grow big or go home. And we'll sage you later.